Hey guys, got money in your Amazon Pay wallet and want to transfer it to your bank? I'll show you how to do this really fast. Let's make this quick, so just grab your phone or your desktop and follow along. First, open the Amazon app or website and sign in. Make sure you've completed your KYC verification because this is required to transfer funds. If you haven't, check Amazon's KYC section under Manage to get it done. It's free. Next, tap the Amazon Pay icon on the home screen. Scroll down to Quick Actions and tap Send Money. Now, choose Bank Transfer for the options. Enter your bank's details, account number, IFSC code, and enter account holder's name. Double check for accuracy, then hit Pay Now. Type in the amount you want to transfer. This can be however much you want. Next, tap Continue. Under Payment Options, tap Show More and select Pay using Amazon Pay Balance, then hit Continue. That's it, guys. Your transfer is complete and the money should hit your bank in a few hours to a couple of days, depending on your bank. Super easy, right? If your transfer fails or delays, contact Amazon or your bank's customer service. Now you're ready to move that Amazon Pay balance to your bank. Like and subscribe for more quick tips like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.